Alright, so I have had this cell phone stand for a few months now and I've been using it. This is the Omoton C2 aluminum desktop phone holder. It also works very well for tablets. This is incredibly simple, but a very useful design, and it holds a variety of different cell phones. Here I have the Samsung S22. Okay, so here's the box that it came in. On the side it does mention an ergonomic design, aluminum alloy molding, polished oxidized surface, and silicone protection. This feels very substantial, not flimsy. I know there's some products that I've used that might be like plastic or a very bendy kind of metal, and it just doesn't work for me. And hello, Ronan. Alright, so the best way I've used this so far is the cell phone rests like this. You can also rest it on its side if you're maybe watching a movie or anything like that. What I've found this is very useful for is Zoom calls, maybe doctor's appointments or meetings if you are doing it from your phone. Now, also, just in case you're very concerned about your angles, this does adjust this way. It's very adjustable. You can adjust it any which way you would like for the angle that fits you best. I found this kind of angle here is the best for like any sort of pictures, or if you want to see what you look like real quick, or you're in a meeting. Now, you have nothing to clamp on, so all you have to do is just place your phone down, and now you're ready to make that call, go to that appointment, or watch whatever you want. And just a quick glance here, the anti-skid pads are found right here on the bottom and on the back, just to make sure your phone doesn't fall off, say if your desk moves or something. You know, it stays in place. The silicone pads not only are up here, but they are also on the bottom. So say you have like a little slippery tabletop surface or something, it's not going to go anywhere and your phone will stay put. Alright, and just in case you need to charge your phone while you're using this, on the back there are different places where you could feed your cord through, and make sure that it goes straight through the bottom to plug your device in. Whether it's charging or maybe you're uploading data or anything like that, it's a great way to also keep up your wire management and make sure you plug everything in nicely. This is a very easy way to optimize your desk space or table space. Thanks for watching.